What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be doing a calm $700 gaming PC inside of the new Gamdias Athena M4M. Now, first and foremost, shout out to Gamdias for sending this over a little bit early and sponsoring this video. Appreciate you guys. Always. This build doesn't really have any crazy objectives. I guess with the form factor, you could kind of call it PS5 Pro Killer or something like that. Overall, I just wanted to do a really nice build inside of this new case, the M4M. Obviously, I've had it for a couple weeks, had my chances to get my thoughts on it. Let's go ahead, dive into the parts list, and then build it, show you the benchmarks, and then go from there. And if you like PC building or PC flipping content, be sure to go ahead, subscribe. We're trying to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So for the parts list, first and foremost, for our processor, we have the Ryzen 5 7600X. Really solid processor, 6 cores, 12 threads, boosting all the way to 5.3 gigahertz on the AM5 platform. For our motherboard, we have a basic option here, the B650 D3 HP from Gigabyte. It's a basic no-frills board, but obviously it's still B650 and it has good enough VRMs to keep our 7600X at bay. For our cooler, we went with the PC Cooler DC360. Definitely overkill, but we got on a 6 sale, cost us about 40 bucks, and it looks really nice. It has a screen and it keeps our 7600X again at bay. For our RAM, we have our tried and true 32 gigabyte G.Skill Ripjaws S5 kit. It's clocked at 6000 CL36, so nothing too crazy, but we use this basically every single week just because they're super cheap. And for me, 32 gigabytes is kind of the bare minimum as far as AM5 systems and what I kind of look for as far as the RAM. For the SSD, I have a Silicon Power A60, again, all reliable Gen 3 drive, so a little bit slower speeds, but obviously it's still going to be a lot better than spinning Rust or just a regular SATA SSD. For my graphics card, I picked up this RTX 4070 for 300 bucks locally when I was in Atlanta. It boasts 12 gigabytes of VRAM and really solid 1440p performance, especially if we enable DLSS and frame generation. And it only uses one 8-pin as well, which is very nice. For our power supply, I got, again, all reliable 650 watt Cobra from Raidmax. It's tier C on the SPL tier list. It has 12 volt high power included, which is very nice, especially if you're going to use something a little bit newer. Say we wanted to drop in like a 5070 or 5070 Ti, this power supply would be able to handle it. And then last but not least, for our case and our fans, we have obviously the Gamdias Notice fans as well as the Gamdias Athena M4M. Honestly, I didn't really know what I was getting into. I just knew that Gamdias was sending me a care package. So when this showed up on my doorstep, the first thing that I thought was it was kind of similar to the Fantex XT M3. But in my opinion, it looks a little bit nicer just because of this curved design as well as all the circular holes. Today, I have the RGB version on hand, but there is also a wood version if you guys are wanting to go for more of that sleek, clean, no RGB aesthetic. It has 3 pre-installed fans, 2 black ones up front, and then 1 RGB one at the rear, along with this nice RGB element on the front. This case is micro ATX sized, has back connector support, and space for up to 395mm graphics cards. Overall, this case looks extremely nice. It comes in at $79.99 as far as the MSRP, and it is available now on Amazon. So I'll go ahead, leave a link down below. But with that all out of the way, let's go ahead and actually dive into building it and then our benchmarks. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and get our motherboard prepped. So first things first, I'm gonna go with the SSD first because that's how I do it. Take off the heatsink, lift it away, going with the SSD, right back in with the heatsink. Very simple. Next up, our RAM, same thing, very simple. Lift up the clips, obviously align the key. Easy peasy. CPU, lift the latch. We got our 7600X, just shining, being glorious. And boom, there we go. Motherboard is prepped. That's 2 minutes gone. So with the motherboard installed, let's go ahead and get our power supply in. Now, as you can see, it's kind of side mounted. Honestly, thoughts so far, pretty easy. Cable management, not the greatest, but kind of to be expected for a case of this form factor. Overall, pretty happy with it so far. The M4M building experience. Now for the big gun, or the last piece, the final objective. I really pray that this is not going to be a pain. This is going to be a pain. Yeah, this is going to be a pain. Oh no, let's go. It's not going to be a pain. Shout out Gamdias for not being a pain. Go ahead and get this AIO situated here. Should be pretty easy. Good enough. Good enough. PC is done here. We already got the anime girl staring at us, so I think we might have done a couple things right. Let's go in with the first boot. Let's find a nice color. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm not gonna lie. So as always, we are coming to a close. But before I go, I did want to go ahead, obviously give you my final thoughts as well as a full price breakdown. So, bow! We have a full price breakdown here. I'm gonna quickly run through it with you guys. So first and foremost, for our 7600X, we paid $135. That was open box from Micro Center. Our B650 was $64.65. That was off of eBay. Our 360mm AIO, that one was $41.49. That one was off of Amazon. And this cooler deal is the same from last week. It was something that was found in our Discord server, obviously reposted. So go ahead, be sure to join. The link is in the description. So yeah, let's get back to the price breakdown. For our RAM, we paid $79.57. This one was off of eBay. Our 1TB SSD, the Silicon Power, $37.03. This one was off of a Java seller. The Notice fans, I just got these off of Amazon, $29.66. For our 4070, we paid $300 locally off of Facebook Marketplace in Atlanta. For our Ray Max 650 watt, we paid $37.09, and that one was off of Newegg. And then obviously the Athena M4M was sent out by Gamdias. So our total cost came out to $724.12. Overall, looks and performance wise, this is probably one of my better builds as of late, but go ahead, let me know how you guys think I did in the comment section down below. Definitely will be keen to read those as well. Be sure to go ahead, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. I have a couple of budget builds coming up, one on the M4 platform, and then a couple others, obviously series episodes soon, as well as the whole entire Atlanta trip in itself, all the parts that I bought, the PC that I built, all of that. So a lot of content coming very soon. Let's finish the year off strong, get to 3K subscribers, and yeah, appreciate you all for watching. Please subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.